Doctors, engineers, teachers, lawyers, scientists, mechanics, farmers. Do you know what is that one skill all these professionals need to have right now and in the future? Computer skills. Yes, Steve Jobs once said, "Computer science is a liberal art. It's something everyone should know how to use at least, and harness in their life." Let us help your kids become shining technological stars of the next generation. Founded by 2 university professors, StarTech Brainery is a socially responsible venture aiming to unleash your child's full potential. Up to 50% of our net profits is donated to charities selected by our students, based on their performance. Do you know that coding can be fun and satisfying while helping the kids excel in problem solving, communication, collaboration, creativity, compassion, and much more? Visit us at startechbrainery.com to learn more about our courses. Scholarships are available for underserved kids.